everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for faster internet speed and secure online browsing, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the powerful Open Custom AIO Tunnel VPN app, specifically focusing on how to create and set up a Psiphon server for a lightning-fast and encrypted internet connection. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel and stay updated with the latest VPN tutorials. Let's get started. Open Custom AIO Tunnel VPN is an all-in-one VPN service packed with multiple tunneling protocols. It's completely free, fast, and offers unlimited usage. Here are the tunnel types it supports: Secure Shell, SSH, DNS Tunnel, DNS-TT, Slow DNS, V2Ray Tunnel, and V2Ray DNS Tunnel, Trojan Tunnel, ShadowSox Tunnel, UDP Tunnel, Psiphon Tunnel, which we'll cover today. This makes it one of the most versatile VPN tools out there for Android users. Let's now create your very own Psiphon server. Follow along carefully. 1. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP and Slow DNS files. From the search results, click on the official website. 2. Once on the home page, tap the hamburger icon at the top left corner to expand the navigation menu. 3. In the list, find and select Psiphon server. This will take you to the server selection page. 4. Choose your desired server location, then click on it. A 10-second countdown will begin. Once complete, you'll see the server details. 5. Hit the copy button to save your Psiphon server details to your clipboard. Next, we'll install and configure the server on the Open Custom app. 1. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Open Custom. Tap Install, and once installed, launch the app. 2. On the home screen, tap the radio button at the top to open the server options. Then, click the arrow icon to expand the protocol list. 3. From the menu, select Psiphon Tunnel. 4. A new setup screen will appear. At the top, tap the protocol drop-down and select your preferred protocol. You can leave it as default if unsure. 5. Next, tap Region and choose the same server location you copied earlier. 6. Under Target Server, paste the Psiphon server address you copied from the website. 7. Double-check all fields to ensure accuracy, then tap the Start button at the bottom. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to a secure, high-speed Psiphon server using the Open Custom VPN app. And that's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Now you can enjoy a stable and secure internet connection with just a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more VPN tutorials, and share this video with friends who